how to reset your Instagram Explore page. Android. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about Instagram. Now as you can see right now on my screen, we are currently on the Instagram Explore page. Now to reset this, you're simply going to click on your profile and you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the top right. Now over here, as you can see, we have your activity, archive, QR code, saved, and many more. You're simply going to click on your activity and you're going to click on likes. And in this section, you would be able to find all the different posts that you have liked in Instagram. And usually, Instagram algorithm will show posts in your feed that is related to what you have liked before. You could also go over here and scroll down and check your recent searches. You can clear your recent searches as well so that you would be able to reset the algorithm. Now another step is you're going to go to your explore page over here and simply click on the specific photo that you don't want to see. For example, this one over here, and you're simply going to click on the three dots on the side and you're going to click on not interested, and you will be able to see less of that specific type of post. And that's basically it guys. That's the only way you would be able to reset your Instagram Explore page. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.